biggest one that I think we should flag for the committee, I mean for the council, and probably take action on, is apparently what's going to be happening with the tram, which is that starting in February, it turns out they're going to be doing long-term maintenance on the cables, the parts that actually keep the tram aloft. And they're going to be shutting down one of the trams continuously for about 6 weeks. They have to spend, I believe, 3 weeks on one tram, shut the other one down, and do vice versa for 3 weeks. So the question is, what can we do at this time to try to work with the MTA and get hopefully some improved service during the time when we're going to have a lot less options like to take the tram. So that's something I'd like to raise for discussion. I don't have any particular ideas at this point besides just reaching out to the MTA. Possibly you can start an online petition or take other action like that, but I'd be happy to hear people's thoughts. Other than that, I think it was very much like what I had reported in my committee report. For what she said at the RIRA board meeting, it was pretty consistent in terms of construction projects, but if you have any questions, please let me know.
So when you say reaching out to MTA, do you have a specific request in mind, or is that what you want to discuss?
I'd like to talk about specific requests. The one thing I can think of is possibly having more train service. Also possibly cutting back the sort of disruption we've seen on the weekends for the last several weeks now. This is something I think that probably falls under the Island Service Committee people's jurisdiction, so I don't want to trample on anything. We could also consider more bus service to the island possibly if that would help.
There must be some precedent for when they were doing all the other construction over the summer. I mean, I would just infer that.
Yeah, that's why.
I would like to speak to that. And you're on target. First of all, we shouldn't fool ourselves. And I'm not trying to discourage, but we are not going to influence the MTA. That's just a fact and a reality. And also, the tram has been shut down on past occasions whereby they've had to have one car in service, and we've survived. So if the council wants to spend this energy on approaching the MTA, that's fine, but I don't think you're going anywhere with that. You're going to waste your time. That's my view.
I think what we,
The question that I have, they're going to have one car running though. There's
Yeah,
two
one car is
cars.
running.
Yeah, one
So are
running.
they going to increase the service for that one car?
they can't.
Hopefully
I
have
don't
it on
think they
rush
can,
hour?
right?
It just takes 7 minutes. And turns around.
I mean, it takes the same
Yeah, but
amount of time away.
Please remember to wait till you call them.
so what happens is right now it's scheduled for every 15 minutes, right? And then during rush hour it goes to every, well, it would be 3 minutes if both were running, but would it be just running 7 minutes continuously? Because before it was like every 15 minutes, very long.
No, I don't know about that. We can, why don't we ask Susan and see what the answer is, and let's see if we can change that.
Lydia, just to weigh in, the dynamics of how they were going to shut it down was not made clear to us, but she did give us a heads up that she felt there would be definitely some impact on the community, and there would be some impact to those quality of life issues. And so she wanted to let us know that they were addressing and looking at certain things to try to help mitigate it, but they were not very specific. And I noticed today that the tram was cordoned off, so it looks like they have started this a little ahead of the schedule that they had talked to us about. So I think that we, going forward, want to put that into the committee discussion.
I mean, I think that my impression, I just see this as a huge communication center for the island because we all represent constituencies. So I feel like what we could do, I mean, is, you know, you can advocate to an extent that is possible with the MTA. I mean, they have precedent. RIRA, as dysfunctional as it can be, knows what they're going to hear from us if they cut down the tram. I just think it's our job to make sure that we communicate to residents exactly when that's going to happen, when the last tram is going to be at this time. So like people can either make their medical appointments or buy groceries or change their school pickup schedules or whatever that is. So that's the information that we kind of need from them, and then we need to facilitate through our communications committee a really specific and distinct way, maybe work with the prospect here, on you know how to tell people what the information is and where they can call it complaint. I mean, that's what we can do. That's our job.
I think
what I'm hearing is that you'd like some follow-up in terms of getting very specific information. from
Yeah, I'd
them.
love to put on River Cross building, like, hey guys, by the way, no tram. Here's where you can call. Here's how long it's gonna go.
Did you have-
Yeah, did they say that they were going to, have the red bus going from here to 59th Street, since there was gonna be one less tram?
No, they didn't say that. Have they done that before?
They have.
Okay.
We don't like it because it's not always used, but it probably it might be used more because it's winter.
Okay, so.
But that's
that
still
goes
an
to 59th
option
Street?
now. Yeah, it picks people up here and
Oh,
it
do they?
takes them to
Okay.
59th and back.
Okay.
Doing it to
Like
them.
French gym.
Yeah, and that's no fair.
They're doing it to
Yeah.
them.
Yeah.
Waterloo's no fair.
It's no fair.
It's no fair.
Yeah.
Are there any more questions for Justin?
I have a question that's not about this.